Welcome to Money Mafia, the community for aspiring entrepreneurs. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use AI marketing tools to improve your email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is a critical part of any successful marketing strategy. It allows you to reach your customers directly with personalized messages. However, with the rise of digital marketing, competition is fierce, and you need to leverage every tool available to make sure your campaigns stand out. That's where AI marketing tools come in. The first step to improving your email marketing campaigns with AI is to gather and analyze your data. By tracking how your customers interact with your emails, you can gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. AI tools can help you quickly sift through large datasets, identify patterns, and extract useful information. Segmenting your audience is a critical step in email marketing. By dividing your audience into smaller groups based on their interests, behavior, or demographics, you can create more targeted and personalized messages that are more likely to resonate with your subscribers. AI tools can help you automate this process, grouping users based on their actions or preferences. Personalization is another critical factor in successful email marketing. By using AI tools to personalize your messages, you can create a more meaningful connection with your subscribers, increasing engagement and loyalty. AI tools can help you create personalized subject lines, images, and content based on the user's behavior and preferences. Timing is an essential factor in email marketing. Sending your emails at the right time can significantly improve your open and click-through rates. AI tools can help you determine the best time to send your emails by analyzing user behavior and engagement patterns. Finally, it's essential to continually test and learn from your email marketing campaigns. AI tools can help you run A/B tests, allowing you to compare different elements of your campaigns. By analyzing the results of these tests, you can refine your campaigns and improve your overall email marketing strategy. And that's how you can use AI marketing tools to improve your email marketing campaigns. With the right tools and a little bit of effort, you can take your email marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Money Mafia.